This is star anise. It smells as beautiful as it looks. This star anise is very much beneficial for our skin health and mind. Did you know star anise slows down the aging of the skin? If you use every day, your skin will be free from wrinkles because it extremely maintains the moisture of the skin. No need to expensive product. From today, we will use star anise. Hi everyone, this is Roshni. Welcome back to my new another video. Yes, today I'll talk about star anise. Do you know what is star anise? Star anise के बांग्लाয় বলা হয় তারকা মৌরি। এর একবারে মৌরির মতো গন্ধ, খুব সুন্দর, দেখতেও যেমন সুন্দর কাজেও তেমনি। But I don't know Hindi name. A magical little herb has lot of benefits, which is too much beneficial for skin health and mind. It removes dark spot and blemishes, moisturizes the skin, treat wrinkles and fine line. Believe me, it's too much beneficial for our skin health and mind. Use it every day. So let's start, and if you here for first time, most welcome, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates, and also watch the video till then. So let's start. For making face toner and face pack, I have taken 4 pieces of star anise. Now I will powder them. See, it's done. Now for making face toner, and I will put the star anise powder in the water. I will boil it for 8 minutes. See, it is done. Now I will keep it for cooling down. After cooling down, I will pour it in a container. Use this toner from the morning. See this. Now for making face pack, I have taken half bowl rice. You can use any rice. I had soaked in the water for 1 hour. See this. Now I will put the extracted star anise, and I will mix the star anise water. Now I will pestle them into mortar and pestle. See this. And with it I will mix 2 teaspoons of bentonite clay. Then mix them very well. So finally star anise toner and face pack is ready. Let's apply it. This. If you want to get a good result, then use it every day. Leave it for 20 minutes, then wash it with normal water. See my face. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you also like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, because never miss out any other video. And always check my description box. Other link of my social handles and other video links are given there. Follow me for sure, and please share your feedback and comment me. Do try this remedy at your home. Always be well. Take care. Bye.